It's like fast talk. So I'm gonna ask a few questions with two options, and they have to choose between the two.
Okay.
And then siguro I'll pick one na lang to explain their answers para mabilis na.
Gano'ng katagal?
We have like
Hindi, gano'ng katagal mag-isip?
wala, no time,
No
no time
time.
to think, no time to think. Basta raise your cards.
Napaka-competitive.
Oo nga eh.
Fast talk.
Raise your cards.
Slow talk yun.
Okay, game. So let's talk about culture. Let's talk about culture. Ano mas prefer niyo? Mas prefer lang naman. Hindi naman sa parang, ayoko talaga to. Like, hate ko to. Hindi naman sa ganun. What do you prefer more? The startup culture or corporate culture? Answers now. Okay. Pantay lang. Ano yan? Hindi ba? Okay.
Gumano.
Okay. I wanted to ask, sige, si Trixie, why corporate?
Corporate, because I feel like in a startup, you feel everything.
Yeah.
What I mean by that is there's not enough layers for you to be protected from politics
Ooh.
versus corporate, whereby there's enough layers for us to operate without feeling the mess that is management, if ever, or the mess that is wherever it is. So I think in terms of culture,
Oo nga eh.
Gusto ko dito.
do you agree?
Why?
Hear you.
Parang may ano.
You second the motion. Yeah. So I just feel like because I'm a feeler, I'm an emotional human being. I would love to do my work without having to feel the mess around me. So yeah,
So
corporate.
medyo ano yun, no? So may
Personal
isa na tayong
experience.
na-debunk na ano kanina, dun sa icebreaker nila, sa Inside Out icebreaker. Kasi sabi nila, most likely daw, yung may politics, yung corporate. But Trixie here is choosing corporate because of less politics. Diba? And you have those layers
Yeah.
pa. Diba? Na parang, tama naman eh, kung mancom ka or execom, or kung hindi ka kasali sa mancom, which is management committee by the way, or execom, yung executives, kung hindi ka kasali doon, walang drama. Right? So, I guess, tamang point for Trixie, and I guess, that's also a point na you have to consider when you're searching for a job. Diba? May masabi ka ba?
Tungkol sa drama.
Hindi, startup ka eh.
Startup.
Tungkol sa
Startup,
drama.
startup.
Tungkol sa drama.
Tungkol sa drama. Wala akong masabi sa drama. Sa startup lang, I think it's more the, ano ba, yung tawag ngayon vibe eh. Pero I think vibe in the sense that I can choose when to do my best work. Yun, kasi yun nga, parang in startups hindi masyadong pinapansin personally in my experience, there are probably other startups na probably would be more strict, pero hindi ka naman hahanapin in a certain time. So, for example, me, I can do grocery at a certain time, tapos magagawa ko naman yung trabaho ko
Yari.
at 5. Diba?
Visto na.
so yun. And yun din naman yung na-expect ko sa mga katrabaho ko. Hindi rin siya... grocery. Magkita kami sa grocery.
Doon tayo maganda eh.
Yun. I think yun yung sa akin. It's really yung vibe nga ng startup culture.
Yeah.
Just to add, siguro kaya ko pinili naman yung startup. Kasi depends sa area. So sa startup kasi talagang all in lahat eh. So regardless, kasi magkakasama kaming tatlo before sa startup. So dahil kulang kami sa tao, naging kargador pa nga kami.
Tama.
Ganun level. Tapos wala masyadong complaints, no. Pero siguro I would
Hindi yata nila alam kung ano yung kargador.
Sorry, the one who carries.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Bigas ba? Bigas?
Basta. So, yeah. Last.
Appliance, di ba?
Appliances.
Tama.
Yeah, so di ba, nagbuhat ka ng microwave. Anyway, so but I would agree with Trixie dun sa part na mas structured, kasi feeling mo pag startup, kaibigan mo lahat eh. Di ba? So, hindi mo alam na hindi mo na ma-differentiate yung politics sa hindi.
Yeah.
Pero surprisingly, when you go corporate, politics na pala yung nangyayari.
Ooh, tama.
Gets.
And I know kanina, and I mean the Aces community, most of you guys will probably be team startups. Pero sana, may ano na ba? Napabago na ba namin yung isip nyo?
Balance.
wala pa naman. Pero we still have a lot of things to discuss. So hopefully, we can balance it out.